Hello everyone. My name is Khezar Raheem and I'm a student of MIT Sydney and my student number is MIT171905. And the reason I'm doing this video assignment is it's one of a course that we're studying in this semester that is system management. And so we've been assigned like 5 to 6 topics, 5 to 6 tools that we have to go through and discuss about two of them in our assignment. So the two that I've selected are one of it is PowerTop and the second one is IOTop. So basically, while discussing these two of these that I've selected, PowerTop mainly deals with the consumption of the power. How much is the system that is consuming that power and processes how much all the processes and application are taking power, and we can limitize that, we can play with that, and we're going to do that in a while. And the second one that I've selected is IOTop. In IOTop we usually that is so we usually monitor the processes, that how much it's how much memory and all that. What's the well It is mainly the monitoring of the processes in the system that are going through, and so we're gonna get to that as well. So these are two that we're gonna do, and now we're gonna go to the yeah. So so the So the first one that we're going to discuss is that is power top. So first, I'm gonna show you quickly the power top. I'll quickly show you the manual that we usually use for the power top. So basically, this is the manual, and it has all the certain instructions and all that in the manual that they have given us, and these are the commands that we can use, and this is quite helpful for us. And yeah, so the next thing that I'm going to show you is this is how we turn on the power top, and we can get to that dashboard of power top. So these are the few like I've been already doing, and I've installed all of the stuff before because I was trying to do personally before. And so with this is how we usually install, and these are the commands that we use. So I'm going to quickly write it for you. Yeah, we press enter and it started. Yeah, start working. Is so the all so because I've already installed it, it's pre-installed, so the PowerTop is already with the newest version, and then the version that we're using is 2.8-1. And so this is how we go to the dashboard, and we can get to the all the data and all the stuff that is going through our system. So this is actually the overview. So with the overview, and this is all the usage, how per seconds, and it has like all the necessary information that is going through. And so this is see, so the even the new processes, they are loading as well. And coming to the next things, so this is the idle stats. So how much so the it usually shows that how much every of the core is using the system usage, and how much whenever the core sleeps, and whenever they come like awake itself, whenever any of the processes start. So now we have like frequency stats, so how much of one of the cores and PCs using the frequencies. And here we've got like all of the device stats, like how many devices are connected to the motherboard. And so these are the so the devices that CP core that is using 1.4%. And so the draw, and this is all yeah. So with this we can actually play with See, so this is already bad. So the bad and good shows that which processes or the devices which are connected to our system, how much power they are consuming. So good means they are on power saving and they're not consuming well, but the bad shows that they are consuming more power. So by limiting that, like it's we're gonna do like runtime. So Intel Corporation. So this chip, we can just press enter and we can put it in bad condition. So it shows that the bad condition, the bad status shows that it can consume more power now. And afterwards, so there's another way. So once we turn off the machine and when it comes up again, it all of these processes goes to good again. And and the next thing that we're gonna do is we can auto tune it as well. So the command that we use for, you already seen that few of the processes over there were bad, and now we're gonna convert them into good by auto tuning. So by using this, now we're gonna go to dashboard again after the tune, and I'm just going to quickly show you. See, so over here we got all the good statuses of all the processors and the devices which are going through our system. And so moreover, PowerTop is quite a good tool, and it usually takes all the power consumption, and we can monitor that. And so this was for the power top, and now I'm gonna go to IO top. So I've already pre-installed and all that. So these are the processes. So I'm gonna quickly show it again to you. So because these are the usually the basic commands. So I've tried that IO top over here, but it didn't work. So while doing it Linux, so we have to give it like these kind of commands. So these are actually the basics. So sudo iotop, when we write that, press enter. So we get into the another we get into another dashboard. This is actually of iotop. So um, while monitoring the iotop, so it is actually loading all the processes and all that which are going through at the moment. All right, but the reason why it is showing all the zeros at the moment, because iotop processes all iotop processes are all zeros, because SQL server SQL database, which I was going through before in the demos on the internet when I was doing the installation, because they have connected one of the database, SQL database. So once we do that, we're gonna have change of numbers over here. So disk read and write rate, because the database is used when we once we read or write in it. So the bit rate bits over here, they start changing. But at the moment there's no SQL server SQL database is connected to it. So that's why we've just been shown this these zeros and all that. So it is actually a good tool as well. So yep. So this is for the IO top again, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna go back to my video again, because I think that this this the this demo of mine is already taken like quite a minutes. So I hopefully won't um, go beyond the limit and the criteria, because I can't do more than probably 10 minutes. So all in all, What I would recommend, because the reason I've chosen these two tools, so we can have a good monitoring of power as well. So with the power, we can easily limitize and all that, and it's not less consumption of the power. More is the system working. More is like we have our CPU consumption is taking less or assigning less power to the other applications. So wherever more power is needed, we can have that as well. So yeah, I would recommend these two of these tools. I've worked on the rest of those as well. So, but these were quite good. These were quite good looking to me. So that's why I've chose this. So, this is all for today, and hopefully I'll get you in the next video. Thank you guys. This is all from my side. Bye.